Here are some tips that will keep your Ulterra or Ulterra QUEST trolling motor performing at peak levels during the very late or very early parts of the season. First, your motor relies on dependable battery power for all of its navigation and propulsion functions and to complete its stow and deploy cycles. Be sure to top off your trolling motor batteries with a full charge before every trip to ensure that your motor can access the power it needs to keep you on fish. Second, take a look at the trim belt that runs along the shaft of the trolling motor. If that belt is sagging or loose, tighten it by turning the bolt on the bottom side of the control head. You'll need an Allen wrench to gently turn the bolt and snug up the belt. Third, clean and lubricate the trolling motor shaft and trim belt using a water-based silicone spray like Pledge. Minn Kota recommends that you do not use an oil-based lubricant. Spray some Pledge onto a dry rag and use the rag to apply the silicone lubricant along the entire length of the trolling motor shaft. Finally, during the coldest temperatures, minimize the amount of water that remains on the trolling motor shaft and lower unit when it is stowed. This will prevent the motor from freezing in place. Once the motor stows, and only if it is safe to do so, use a dry rag to wipe off excess water present on the shaft and lower unit. Hey, these quick and easy tips are going to help you leverage the full power of your Minn Kota Ulterra or Ulterra QUEST on every early or late season fishing trip.